It has been 10 years, yes, 10 years since Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, was first dragged into court by the Nigerian government. Today we ask, is this a search for justice or just a drama that never ends? This is IGBO AREA TV, and this is the real story behind what happened this week in Abuja. Inside that courtroom, where everything changed. In 2015, Nnamdi Kanu was arrested for leading the call for Biafra's independence. He was accused of treason, terrorism, and running an illegal radio station. In 2017, soldiers stormed his house in Abia State. Gunshots, fear, confusion. He disappeared. Then in 2021, he was captured again, this time from Kenya, and they brought him back to Nigeria. Many believed he was kidnapped, not extradited legally the way it's done. Till today, the government has not told Nigerians exactly how they brought him back. On May 20, 2025, inside the Federal High Court in Abuja, May 21st, something unusual happened. The judge, Justice Omotosho, warned Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Aloy Ejimakor, for posting on social media during the trial. He said Ejimakor was becoming more like a social media influencer than a lawyer. He even said, this is a court of law, not a place for online content creators. Why did this happen? Because Ejimakor posted on X calling on Biafrans to rise up and support the legal team. He said they would file a motion to dismiss all the terrorism charges. But the judge wasn't happy. He said this kind of posts could influence the public and cause distractions. Some people agree with the judge, but others say if they keep hiding the truth from the people, how will justice be done? The Department of State Services, DSS, has been the body holding Nnamdi Kanu all these years. But during the recent court session, they said something shocking. They claimed they did not arrest Kanu in Kenya. Even more confusing, they told the court that they do not have the names of victims of the violence they are accusing Kanu of. They could not mention who was attacked, when or where. No direct evidence, only claims. This one shocked me. They said they did not arrest Kanu in Kenya. Are they trying to present an event like this? Maybe Kanu escaped in 2017 and they saw him on the street and picked him up. Are they trying to remove Kenya from this whole setup? That Kanu was not in Kenya. That they picked him or they arrested him in Nigeria. So they will call it an arrest. What are they trying to say? Maybe they did not go to arrest Nnamdi. Who bundled on Nnamdi Kanu and brought him back to Nigeria? Now, I don't really know the direction of this case. Does it mean certain Nigerians kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu and they came to the street of Nigeria and threw him and alerted the DSS? Is that the presentation they are trying to give us? There are certain people, maybe Nnamdi, or maybe they don't care about where Nnamdi Kanu was. For them, he's somebody that is wanted, and they have seen him and they picked him up. They are trying to, that Kenya extraordinary rendition, that is what actually destroys their case. Are they trying to remove that? What do you think? Add your comment on the comment section while we continue to look at this. So, Nigerians are asking, if you can't say who was hurt or how Kanu caused violence, why is he still in prison? Now, the judge who also accused the defense team of using delay tactics. He said that Ejimakor and his team are the ones dragging the case. But the lawyers say they need time to gather facts and file motions. Now, in case you want to know, the judge has given them deadline. File your motion or we continue with the trial. You know, this is like a game of chess, but Kanu is the one suffering in the middle. He remains in detention. The defense also raised a serious point. Why is IPOB treated like a terrorist group? Why the others are seen as self-defense groups, like Amotekun in the southwest, are allowed to operate freely? Now they ask the question, is it because IPOB is from the southeast? Is there a double standard in how Nigeria treats different ethnic groups? Is this real justice or ethnic punishment? For 10 years, this case has dragged. So many court sittings, so many adjournments, so many rulings ignored. Like the one that said, release him because of the way you brought him in. They are trying to dodge that. They want to minus, okay, DSS picked Nnamdi Kanu in the streets. But Nnamdi Kanu himself know what happened. He can tell what happened. So many court rulings, so many adjournments, so many rulings ignored. At one point, the appeal court ruled that government violated Kanu's rights. Another court said his house was illegally invaded. So why is he still in detention? Why does justice move so slow when it comes to Biafra? Today, many people no longer trust the traditional court system. They now run to social media to find justice. But is that safe? Can posting online really help Kanu's case? Or will it backfire? That's the debate. One thing is clear. This case is no longer about law. It's no longer just about law. It is now about freedom. It is about truth and about the future of Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu is not just a man in prison. He's a symbol of people crying to be heard. This is no longer a legal case. It is a test of Nigeria's conscience. To the judiciary, give justice a chance. To the government, obey your own courts. I've heard Nnamdi Kanu say this severally. We will win you at your court. Obey your courts. To the people, do not lose hope. Let us keep watching, keep speaking, and keep demanding the truth. Because injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. This is IGBO AREA TV, and we will not stop telling the story. Like, comment, and share this video. Follow IGBO AREA TV for more updates and for more real stories from our land. Justice for Nnamdi Kanu, justice for Biafra. Thanks for watching.